Good morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay gagawa tayo ng BacSiLog with cheese sauce. Okay, so BacSiLog stands for bacon, sinangag, and itlog. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. We have here the ingredients. We have here 4 cups rice, 10 strips bacon, 2 pieces eggs, 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece regular size onion. We have here spring onion, 1 tablespoon fried garlic. Gagamit din tayo ng Knorr liquid seasoning, salt, and pepper, and of course cooking oil. And for the cheese sauce, we will be using 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons flour, 154 ml evaporated milk, and 165 grams cheese quick melt. Okay, so ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Okay, what we're going to do first is ipiprito natin yung ating bacon. So, ipiprito natin siya hanggang maging golden brown at mag-render siya ng sarili niyang fat sa ating kawali. Okay, so ayan ka-friendship, luto na yung ating bacon. So what we're going to do next is i-remove natin siya sa ating kawali and then ilalagay natin sa plato na may tissue paper to remove the excess oil. And pag naluto na lahat yung ating bacon, iset aside na lang muna natin siya ka-friendship. Okay, so the same wok of friendship ay magsaside up tayo ng itlog. Okay, so hindi na ako magdagdag ng mantika kasi meron naman ay yung pinagrenderan ng fat ng bacon. So, ayan. Lagyan natin ng konting asin. Saka pepper. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan hanggang maluto ka friendship. Okay, so the same wok of friendship, pagluluto tayo ng sinangag. Magdagdag lang tayo ng konting cooking oil for our sinangag. And then, isusutay natin yung ating garlic. Idagdag natin ang ating onion. that, idagdag na rin natin yung ating steamed rice. Itong kanin ko, friend chef, ay tira namin ito yesterday. Lagyan natin ng konting salt. At saka pepper. Haluin lang natin mabuti ito, friend chef. Yung next natin na gagawin ka, friend chef, ay gagawa tayo ng cheese sauce. Okay, so sa isang wok, ilalagay natin ang ating 2 tablespoons na butter. Okay, hayaan natin siyang mag-melt muna dyan, ka-friend chef. Ayan, ka-friend chef, nag-melt na yung ating butter. What we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating flour. Okay, so i-mix lang natin siya. Ayan, natunaw na yung ating flour. So, dagdagan na natin ng ating milk. So, dahan-dahan lang ang pagdagdag ng milk, ka-friend chef. Hinaan natin ang apoy. Ayan, mix lang natin very well hanggang sa mawala yung lumps ng mixture natin, ka-friend chef. At this point, ka-friend chef, idagdag na natin yung ating cheese. So, ayan, i-mix lang natin ang i-mix hanggang sa totally na matunaw yung ating cheese. Okay, ito ang consistency na hinahanap natin, ka-friend chef. So, at this point, iset aside lang muna natin yung ating cheese sauce at i-assemble na natin yung ating bacsilog. Okay, ka-friend chef, ito na po yung ating bacsilog, bacon, sinangag, at itlog. Okay, so dagdagan natin ng spring onion, yung ating fried rice. Ayan. Pandagdag kulay. Bigyan natin ng kulay ang ating buhay. And then, fried garlic. Ayan. May nahulog. Kunin natin. And syempre, hindi yan masarap na bacsilog kapag walang cheese sauce. Uy, mainit. Mainit pa siya, ka-friend chef. So, ayan. Lagyan natin ng cheese sauce, yung ating bacon. Sama na rin natin ang itlog para masaya. Ayan. And then, lagyan natin ng konting liquid seasoning. So, ayan. So, ayan, ka-friend chef, ready for serving na yung ating bacsilog. Okay? Okay, ka-friend chef, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang video natin sa araw na ito. Kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Okay, once again, this is Tutumira at your service. Always remember that a man's manners are a mirror in which he shows his portrait. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.